Titled Art of the Kingdom, the exhibition features 50 works across various mediums, including painting, sculpture, and installation art.
This piece utilizes vintage film stock, a medium through which much of our cultural, life, and personal memories are preserved. It functions more as a form of performance art, encapsulating our past memories, which makes the work profoundly touching.
A series of lightweight metal frameworks support scrolls of paper that unfurl like a flowing river of time. This piece depicts memory, time, and culture through abstract ink strokes on Chinese rice paper. Titled Silent Imprint, it is part of the collection of the Saudi Ministry of Culture. This exhibition encompasses Saudi Arabia's artistic scene, offering Chinese audiences a window into the country's cultural expression through art. The exhibition will run until October 30th with free admission. 丁思月 CGTN